Ready for today's deep dive? Some seriously cool breakthroughs to unpack. RNA sequencing, AI in healthcare, all that good stuff.
The speed these fields are moving at is mind-blowing. Like, we're going to see medicine and tech totally reshaped, even how we understand ourselves.
Absolutely. And first up, let's hit that RNA sequencing revolution. Scientists found, get this, 16 distinct sensory nerve cell types in humans. 16.
That's wild. I mean, it shows how complex we are, right? Way more than we thought, especially compared to what we knew from, like, mice and macaque studies.
Totally. Huge implications here, especially for personalized medicine. Think pain management, right? Treatments targeted to those exact nerve cells.
Exactly. And prosthetics, too. Imagine tech that can actually mimic human touch. Game changer.
Sci-fi stuff, but it's getting real. But RNA sequencing, it's not just about mapping our senses. Researchers are using it to detect cancer variants, specifically in breast cancer cell lines.
And they can do it without those matched normal samples, so we're talking even more reliable mutation identification.
Which is key for personalized cancer treatments, obviously. Your doctor sees the exact mutation, boom, target therapy, fewer side effects.
Precision medicine at its best.
Love it. Okay, another fascinating thing with RNA sequencing is they've uncovered millions of these circular RNAs. circRNAs, tiny little loops, basically hidden in our genetic code.
These are like the next frontier. Could be influencing everything from gene expression to how diseases develop.
But detecting them, that's the tough part. Needs super advanced tech, both for sequencing and the bioinformatics side of things.
Definitely, like finding a needle in a haystack, but the payoff could change how we do disease research and diagnostics forever.
Okay, let's shift gears. Artificial intelligence in healthcare, everyone's talking about it. Big discussion at that Vive conference, right?
Yeah, lots of buzz, and for good reason, but the experts, they were saying, hey, got to be critical. Not all AI tools are ready for prime time.
Right. Some are good to go. Others are still in development. Got to choose the right tool for the job.
Think of it like buying a car. You wouldn't just, buy the first one you see, right? Do your research. AI and healthcare, same thing. And speaking of real-world stuff, there's this new web-based AI system. It can classify viruses and, like, detect those damaging effects they have on cells. Cytopathic effect, it's called. And it does it without any labeling.
Whoa, no labeling. That's pretty amazing. I mean, that could really speed things up, right? Especially if there's an outbreak or something.
Exactly. Like, imagine a new virus pops up. Researchers could analyze samples, ID it super fast, no need to label and categorize everything first. Huge for responding to, pandemics and stuff.
Yeah, AI really seems to be stepping up in the whole public health arena. It's pretty cool to see how it's evolving to handle these real-world issues.
Definitely. Okay, want to switch gears again for a sec. Let's talk machine translation. Big leap forward there recently, although details are still kind of hush-hush.
Ooh, I'm curious about that one. Imagine if, like, scientists from all over could just collaborate instantly. No language barriers.
That's the dream, right? Break down those communication silos and boom, scientific progress just explodes. Researchers sharing findings, building on each other's work no matter what language they speak.
A universal translator for science. That'd be huge for research.
Totally. Shows how AI isn't just about data, right? It can connect people and ideas too.
So much cool stuff in this deep dive. RNA sequencing, showing us all those hidden complexities of the human body. Then you got AI, revolutionizing healthcare, scientific communication, you name it. What's standing out for you?
I think it's the way these different fields are all coming together. Biology, computer science, engineering, they're all blending, and that's leading to these breakthroughs we wouldn't have even dreamed of a few years ago. It's like this fusion is the key to solving those really big problems, personalized medicine, understanding the brain, all that.
It really makes you think how fast things are changing in science, right? Every day there's something new, something that pushes the boundaries. What do you think's driving this?
I'd say data. Like, we're in this age of big data, right? And it's fueling all these discoveries, especially in genomics and AI. But it's not just having tons of data, it's what we can do with it. Bioinformatics, machine learning, those tools let us actually find the insights hidden in all that data. That's how we're getting these breakthroughs we couldn't have imagined a few years ago.
It's like we have this new way of seeing the world, more detailed than ever before. And it leads to a deeper understanding of, well, everything, the human body, the universe. But it's not just about understanding, it's about what we do with that knowledge. New technologies, new therapies, that's the exciting part.
Think about healthcare, right? We're moving towards this personalized medicine thing where treatments are tailored to your genes, your lifestyle, like it's already happening with cancer. And we're seeing progress in other areas too, heart disease, those brain disorders, all that. Huge potential for actually improving people's life, helping them live longer, healthier lives.
It's pretty amazing to be living in this time, to be honest. But, with all this progress, we can't forget science isn't just about the cool discoveries. It's about asking the right questions, thinking about the ethics of it all. As we learn more, dig deeper, we got to be responsible. you know?
Oh, absolutely. We have these powerful tools, got to use them wisely, ethically. That means talking about the risks, not just the benefits, involving people in the decisions, making sure this tech is used to help humanity, not hurt it.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Well, as we wrap up our deep dive today, I gotta say, I'm feeling pretty inspired by all this human ingenuity. It's clear we're in a time of just incredible scientific progress. Feels like the possibilities are endless. Any final thoughts for our listeners out there?
Just stay curious, stay engaged, read those articles, listen to podcasts like this one, attend a lecture, ask questions. The more we know, the better we can deal with the challenges and opportunities coming our way. And hey, maybe one of our listeners will be the next big scientific rock star, make that groundbreaking discovery, who knows?
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of science. Keep those minds open, stay curious, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.